Lost here, guys, that are running. Got a little tune on there. You wouldn't believe what I went through today. Let's see if we can get some little roost action. Oh, yes, sir. All right, let's try a different view. Continue. Wild and crazy. Ridiculous. Oh, there's the wheelies. I know you guys couldn't see that. I'm moving you. I don't know if this will work, but we'll try. I got two in it. wind blew me over. The wind blew my tripod over. Can you believe that? Oh, wow, that's awesome. All right, we'll be back in a sec. All right, let's try this view. I held that to the floor too. It just held it up. That was sick. Finally, that's what I'm talking about. TMR, baby. Get you some. Woo! That was sick. Right on, guys. I just finally wanted to get a nice running video in with the body on and everything. Man, I put a lot of work into this build, into getting it running. Man, I did everything from scratch. Thank you, Jeff from Eastside RC, Alan from TMR, Dan from Rovan RC, Primal RC. Bam! TMR Performance. Bam! Yes, sir. TMR Race Port 45, baby. She's coming around. She's getting run in. You saw that power. She's lifting this heavy front end up like nothing and holding it. Yes, sir. Very exciting. All right, guys. I'm going to call it for now. Try to get some sleep before I have to go back to work. And, yeah, hope you all enjoyed. If you liked, please like and subscribe. That'd be pretty awesome. And there'll be plenty more. All right, guys. Fish Scale or Bust is out.